You've got mail.
Alright, well, as you can see, it's still Tuesday, but since I completely finished editing the Mail Thing Thursday, this one didn't make it. This is from Sean, Dragon Monk, to those of you in the thing there, and I don't want to show his address. I'm not going to show his address, but I'm going to open this because he had said something about sending me something, but I have no idea what the man has sent me, or why, but we will see what we see. I want to make sure, like I said, that I'm not showing off his address as much as possible. Alright, now that's taken care of. Alright. Okay. Alright, now this is Walter. The purple is Purple Haze. Enjoy, Sean. That's the only note he's got in there. This looks like Purple Haze. Oh, look at that. Look at that purple that Sean has sent. Then he's got some inland PLA in here. Oh, wow. Yeah, some inland purple filament. I swear. Load me up with it. And this is a translucent orange PETG filament. Make sure that's all. That is. I wish Sean would have put a self-addressed stamped envelope in there. We could have got him a sticker. But thank you, Sean. Dragon Monk, whatever you want to be called, for the PETG. This is translucent orange PETG, which is friggin' awesome color. Then this is straight purple from. This is PLA, okay? These are both from Inland. Inland filaments. I've had one roll of Inland somewhere. Somewhere I had one roll of Inland, I think. And then this is Purple Haze. I forget who makes the Purple Haze, but dude, that's an awesome purple too. Now I have to say. So thank you, Sean. I we'll get these used and try these out. So that's the first piece of Mail Thing Thursday, and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, I don't know what's wrong with me. I cannot, for the life of me, remember to unmute the damn microphone. So here we are on another Mail Thing Thursday segment where I'm opening mail. I got some stuff below. That's what I'm pointing at. But I got an envelope, and I didn't know who it was from, but I believe I remembered about the time I was cutting it. And I did, and you'll see here in just a second that I threw that paper down like an idiot. That's what I actually needed because there wasn't crap else in there. And then I opened it, and of course it's the little collet clips for the E3D V6. So it was the one I flipped off the other day, and I still ain't found, and they're tinier than what I thought they were, so that's probably why I hadn't found it. It's really tiny. So, and then I put that up, and I'm good with that. And yeah, see, pointing over to the TiVo Little Monster, which is printing at the time, by the way. It's working really good. But then I got a box from Matter Hackers. So let's see what this is. I bet we know what it is. I mean, we know what size the box is. But these boxes were thanks to our friend, my friend and yours, Mr. David Olson. Because Filamentum is taking so long, Mr. David said that he would sponsor the filament. There's the orange filament for the parts. That's just friggin' cool. David is the man. He's the bomb diggity. So there's the filament for the parts, which is awesome. But then, wait, there's more. It's a bigger box from Matter Hackers. Let's see what this is. Come on, Walter, open the dang box. What? Quit talking. This is 3 rolls of blue filament. So guess what color the printer is going to be? Well, there's 2. Of course, I need to show you what color all 3 of them are. Wait, yep, see, I had to show you again. 3 colors of blue. Then I'm just going to look back, look through the bottom of the bifocals, you know, do the whole spiel, put it all back in the box. Boom! Would have been really loud on mic anyway, you know. So here we go. That is the filament from David Olson on the there. So now, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, let me look and see. Yep, I pulled it out. As y'all know, well, maybe you don't, but my son-in-law ordered a box and got it in, and they already refunded his money for it, so he sent it to me. So it looks like a box. Probably took a slow boat from China. But there we go. And it is a it's an Ender 3. Yeah, you can read that there. Cool. It is an Ender 3 kit that is going to be used for something special here coming up. If you talk on the Discord, then you know what's special coming up. If you don't, then you don't. And guess what? I am just sitting here talking, and I'm talking about the things that I got. And that's the end of the Mail Thing Thursday. And we'll see you the next time. And I appreciate everybody. And if there's another segment, then we'll see you in a second. If there's not, then we won't. But as I know right now, there is. So, see you in just a second. Okay? Alright guys, here we are for the next piece of Mail Thing Thursday. Surprised by a package in the mail today that I don't know who it's from, but it's to Kuntry 3D at my address. So we're gonna pop it open and see who it's from. It's the only piece I got today. So here we go. Alrighty. It says made in China. So there's a package, no gift receipt, no name, to Kuntry 3D. I have no idea who this is from. So let's find out, shall we? Let's see what it is. I'm at a loss. Oh, wow. Wow, I know who this is from. This is from Mr. Eddie Jack. Mr. Eddie Jack has sent me a set of TL smoothers for the TiVo Little Monster, which is freaking awesome. Thanks, Eddie. I appreciate that. I'll try them out in 40 hours or so when that thing finishes back there. So, man, I appreciate that, Eddie. Eddie, I do. I think that's going to make this thing run a lot smoother, a lot better. These are the Big Tree Tech Smoother version 1.0. They come with the motor cables. So yeah, don't see why these wouldn't jam up and jelly tight. These have the eight resistors on them, which I've looked and it says those are the best ones to use. So hopefully these make a decent difference. Pretty sure they will. They look pretty right on, pretty righteous there. I'm gonna put them right here in the vase created. Yeah, better not do that. They won't never come out of there. Anywho, all right, that's this edition or this segment of Mail Thing Thursday. We will see you in a bit if there's more mail. If not, I'll see you in a bit for the ending. But we'll see you in a bit, no matter what. Later. Well, as you can tell, some dummy forgot to unmute the mic again. Well, luckily for this one, I didn't. Just got off the Discord with the guys after morning coffee, and I mean it's 11:30, so we were on it for well over an hour after morning coffee this morning. So if you're not getting on after morning coffee, you're missing out, because there's some good stuff discussed in there. As a matter of fact, Scalda told me something I need to do, and that's come in and set up a profile just for recording, so that while I'm recording, I don't have to worry about muting or unmuting the mic. It'll always be ready to go. So that's something I'm going to look into. But the mail was exciting again, man. I got plenty of the plastic, and here's some extrusions I've already started. The TiVo Little Monster, I did not get the smoothers on it yet because I want to do it on video, and I need to get these printed so I can test it and look at these. before we set and I got to move the printer and all that stuff. So anyway, so here's some extrusions that were printed out of the Matter Hacker build series. I didn't say that in my voiceover. The blue was the Matter Hacker build series PLA, and the orange was the Matter Hackers Pro series PLA. So the build series I'm printing at 0.2, and this stuff is fantastic. The TiVo little monster is spitting out some good prints. So all of my frustration and all of the hate and venom that I have spewed at the TiVo little monster has gone by the wayside, because it is doing its job and it is doing it well. So that's another edition of the Mail Thing Thursday. This is probably the shortest one I've had so far. Kuntry Klub, you are fantastic. Keep up everything you're doing. Take care of each other. Love each other like you love your own. And we'll see you the next time after I answer the phone.